Hi everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flagpole, and we are so excited for this special fall season. We are offering one of our biggest discounts yet, and it applies to everything in our online store. So if you're looking for a new flash collar, go ahead and add it to your cart. Maybe you need one of our best-selling Patriot series solar lights, add it to your cart. Of course, our Phoenix stone sculpting flagpoles, all sizes and colors, are also included in this special 10% off. Add it to your cart. Man, whatever the accessory is, there's nothing off limit. We want you to go ahead and take advantage of this. Add it to your cart. You could even get whatever flag you're looking for right now. Of course, this is our Gadsden flag. Maybe you want to add a new sports team flag to your cart. Maybe you're looking for a holiday flag. There's so many options available to you. Not only does this give you the extra savings that you need right now, but it helps support our small family business. So go ahead and take advantage of our special Fall for 10 special. Maybe you've got a new location you want to put your flagpole or a new property. You can go ahead and get in a replacement ground sleeve or a new spot for that. We've got our anti-theft security sure locking device. We have so many options. Add it to the cart. Go ahead and use the discount code provided to get 10% off the whole cart, and we're giving you free shipping. You literally have the opportunity to have endless amount of savings with this very special Fall for 10. So go ahead, take advantage, and thank you so much for supporting our small family business.